Dito ka sa camera? Ha? Hindi, saka sa camera ka. Pwede mo yan, no? Yan. Sige, tol, papanoodin ko naka-on na. Alright, here we go! Paki-announce nga. Paki-announce na. Pre, paki-announce 6-1 pa lang. 6-1 pa. Paki-announce.
Press line, press line. Alright, City Hoops.
6-1.
Sixth man of the season, season 16, Thunder Group. Sixth man of the season goes to
Will Flores.
Will Flores. Congratulations. Oh, that Will. What's up, Will? What's up, Will?
Hey, long time, dude. How you doing?
I know, it's been a while. Good to see you, man.
Gusto mo, lipat kayo dito. Palit kayo dito. Para makita.
We got black and brown, okay? Black and brown.
Okay, eto example.
Oh wait, nag-start na ba?
All right. Championship game. Here we go.
Doon na lang para sa ano.
Then, bigyan mo sa akin yung pangalan. 99.
Steal.
TJ?
59. Oh, sexy shot. Goes in for number 56. Jaden.
Diretso naman.
Yeah. 3 points up. It's good. For John Taboraza. Eric for 3, no good. Number 19, rebound. That's Hui Tran. Ryan Flores looking for somebody. Found Jerry Escondo. Got trapped. Here comes Hui. No look pass. Stolen by CJ. Hui got the ball. We. Oh, doing Michael on TJ. No look pass to we. Steal by 50, 56.
56 oh.
Jaden got the ball. Eric. Eric, nice move to TJ for 3. No good. Here comes CJ. CJ with the rebound. You're watching Season 16 Sunday Group Championship Game. Lee recovered to Jerry for 2. No good. Union City ball. Score is 3-2. San Ramon up by 1. Eric, bounce pass to Brian. Brian spins. Foul on
What number?
99. John Taboraza.
Okay. Puro lang.
Brian with the ball at the 3-point line. Think about it. Almost lost it. Recovered. 92. Brian back to 56. Jaden, no good. Rebound. Jerry. Oh, Jerry.
Jer.
Escondo, Jerry. Ramil. 2 points. Is that we?
Yes, yung wala. Nag-work ulit.
Walang ox. Eric. Back to Jaden. 56 back to Eric for 3. Fakes. Pull up jumper is good. Favorite shot by the MVP. Number 28.
Thanks, Brian.
Good game, Brian. Good game. Great all-star game. Very close. Jer for 3. No good. Rebound 22. That's Vincent. Bounce pass to Jaden. For the shot is good. Assist from PJ. Bounce pass from PJ is good. John. Guarded by Jaden. Bounce pass to Wee. Wee for 2. In and out. Jer. Rebound. Brian rebound. Here goes Brian. Guarded by John. Almost stolen by John. Good D by John. Vincent. With the ball. Jaden at the 3. Looking for something. Looking for a cutter. Foul on TJ. TJ, nice move. Up and under. Back to Brian. Good defense.
Was that a black? Pare, wala.
No block. Oh yeah. Yeah.
He was going up, right?
Yep. Jaden, 56.
Hey, Dave. Did you win it last season? You won it.
Left hand pass to TJ. Got fouled by Ryan. TJ shooting for 2.
Zach almost had it, man.
I gave him no chance. How many rebounds I give that guy?
He stopped second out.
Misses the first.
Run it back. Sabi ko pag nanalo ako eh. Jerry ka, di ba?
Misses the second.
Naglaro ba si Martin?
One more shot.
Hindi ko nakita. Balik na yung trophy sa...
Second chance.
Hindi ko siya nakita lagi. Nakakaintindi ba ang Tagalog yan?
Finally made one. Out of 3 tries. Good job.
Nagkamali yata kami, defensive sa yata yun, hindi sa kanya eh. Better than finals game now, right?
Here comes CJ to Reed. Nice fake. Back to CJ for 3. No good. Rebound Vincent, number 22. Ball pass to TJ. Guarded by Reed. Bounce pass to Jaden. Blocked by John Camuraza. Here comes Ryan, number 8. Ball pass to John. John long 3 from the logo. Oh my God! Wow. Way downtown San Jose. Oh, steal by Jared. Here comes CJ. Got fouled by Eric. Foul on Eric. Mr. MVP, the Rust. CJ. What happened?
56.
56. Foul on 56. First on Jaden. We shooting for 2. Misses the first. Rebound, we. Nice block by TJ. Here comes Brian. Post the post. Brian spins. Lost the ball, recovered. Here goes Brian. Back to Eric. Eric. Oh, what a shot. Left-handed, no good. Rebound by Jer. Jer saying, hold on, guys, hold on. Calmate, calmate. John, three. Long three again. No good. Rebound. CJ. CJ.
Second and 56.
Foul on Jaden. That's your second.
11 minutes. Get ready. 1 minute to first.
Time left, 11 minutes and 5 seconds in the first half of this championship game. John for three, no good. Rebound Eric, here comes CJ all alone. Basket is good.
Is there a rebound?
Is that an assist? No assist. CJ, hounded by great defense by Jaden. Good pick from Jer. Here's Ryan. Ryan lost it. Eric for the steal. TJ, same shot, same result. Basket is good for TJ. Score is 11-8. Up by 3.
QQ. What's for sub?
Sub coming up. Here comes Jaden for the rebound. Jaden with the ball, number 56. Foul Eric. Eric. Oh, what a move. Tightrope basket is good. Oh my goodness. That's why he's the MVP.
Let's go. Let's go. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minute rule.
Time out.
Stop.
Time out block. Time out block.
Time out black.
59. 9. That's it. Time out block.
Ah, umuwi na.
Ayaw, Ali? Walang
I need yung XLR.
extra.
Parang stereo. Ganda saan eh.
Sayang.
I know. Ganda saan.
All right, back to the game. 11-8. 3-point differential. Here comes the replacement killers. Justin, number 32, for three. No good. Rebound. Who's that?
Dennis Alfonso.
Oh, Dennis. We got fouled by who fouled who? Who got the foul?
Lindo, 44.
Oh, the sexy man.
Naglaro ka ba?
Formula 44. Komish Dindo. We makes the first. Misses the second.
Let's go.
1 for 2.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Good job, man. Eric, stop and pop. Jumper is good for Eric, number 28. Justin, nice crossover against. Whoa, nice defense by Eric. Turnover, 32. Left. Man, Bindos playing Sunday group, huh? Man. Huh? Eric. Wow, on Justin, number 32. That's his first. Eric shooting for 2. makes the first free throw.
Hey, Dave. I'm not gonna change this jersey for next season.
Makes the second.
For All
2
Star.
for 2 for Eric.
So you keep winning. You know what I mean? If I change it, then you might jinx it.
59 is the score. Championship games, season
You were
16.
the same one, right? Last season.
Sunday group. We found Jekyll. Jekyll, no good. Rebound, Brian. Here comes Brian, number 32. Big Shaq to Agent 44. Found Will, the sixth man. Will, looking for somebody. Found Agent 44. Agent.
Jack's 44?
Agent 44. Formula 44.
Di ba 41 yan?
44. Long pass to number 68. No good. Rebound, Will. Si Noli pala yun. Noli, abad. John. Long pass. Still almost stolen. Steal by Dindo. Dindo recovered. Here comes Brian in the middle. In the middle, slicing it to Will. Oh, excuse me. CJ. Nice, Brian. Up and under. Got fouled by number 22. That's Dennis Alfonso.
You know I should have got it.
I know.
That was almost impact.
I know. I didn't go for it. It's in the goal.
Brian misses the first. CJ in. We out. In and out. Parang hamburger. Last touch on Dennis. Victor Payo. CJ with the ball. Justin. Almost traveled. Justin, number 32. Guarded by Will. Long pass to 22. Sayang.
44 again. Second and 44.
It's you. It's you, coach. Kamish. Jekyll asking for the ball. Didn't get it. 99. John, step back. Woo! My goodness. Step back, sweetness. Ang sexy naman yun. Will, six man. No, the pass to Brian. Brian. Forcing it. Right there. Benji Marasta good. And Brian like Benji Paras. That's a block.
Sal, that's considered block, right? It's
Block?
one out, right?
Who blocked it? John.
John, I got it.
You got it. Bounce pass to CJ, to Brian. Brian, 1-on-1. Oh, nice move. Nice pass. Using the glass, Mr. Basic. Oh yeah, with a smile. My God, nakakashoot ka pala sa Sunday, ah. Kala ko ano ka lang dito eh, runner eh. Kala ko defensive player ka lang. Oh my God, ang ganda. Sayang, rebound 22. That's Dennis. Rebound, Eric.
Who's foul?
Nandun pa si
Itong si Eric, parang kalma-kalma.
Nandun pa siya.
Apelyido mo Kalma, di ba? O Goros. Ayan na. Nanunuro na, ayan na, ganda! Woo! Ayan na. What a shot! By Tokayo. DA.
Kasi tanda rin din yun.
CJ, nice move. Up and under. Got fouled by 28. That's your
Second and Eric.
second personal foul. Pangalawa na. Sa barangay ka na lang magreklamo. Pangalawa. Justin, ayan na. Don, pumorma. No good. Rebound. Dennis A. Here comes Eric in the middle. What you gotta do? Jumper is good. Woo. Woo. Time out.
Time out, block.
Time out, San Ramon.
No more time out.
23-12.
So, yun. Bili ka na lang kable. Pasok. Sige. Pero testing muna natin. Bago siguro mag XLR.
You have to make adjustment.
Hindi ano, to lose. Hindi adjustment to lose.
Let's see.
All right, back to the ball game. You're watching City Hoops Sunday League, season 16. Wow, 16 seasons na. Still going.
Take a shot.
Oh, what a passing! Nice move, nice. In and out, back, rebound, Brian. I got this ball. Yeah. Nice rebound by B.
32. Second on Justin.
Eric, long pass to Will. Will fakes Brian. Guarded by B. Turn around, using the glass. Basket is no good. Right, no. Damn, Dennis.
Second on Dennis.
Damn. Lakas ah.
56 na yan.
I know. Damn. Age like 56, plays like 36.
Same age as Dindo.
Didn't you need to keep up?
How?
56.
No shot.
See?
68.
That's right. It's 56.
That's like 68.
56%.
Hey, hell,
Joke lang. Only good fun. After all, it's a family event,
up, right?
right? Moving back, bounce pass. Oh, nice pass to. Nice shot by John. Nakakita ng butas.
Defense, you can stop.
Hindi pa na yun.
Last shot.
No? Okay. Hindi nga. Real? Okay. Naku, kakaunti binawang ko English. Ano ba? English ito. Eric. Right, Justin. Nice defense jumper. Oh my God, you make hotcakes out of those jump shots. Hindi ko alam kung nabantayan na kita, Eric. Hindi ko maalala. Ano ako makakascore ka sa akin? Oh! Bakit?
Time out.
Time out! Yun yung sit.
You can make it 10-21, but I'm okay with 9.1.
That's fine. Yeah, special guest speakers, huh? And workers. Wow. Hey. The first game was more exciting than this game.
Honestly, yes.
More intense, right?
I thought this was a landslide, especially with Vince on this team. I thought this team was going to landslide. Especially with Vince.
I'm gonna have to
I know, Vince.
Sorry, Vince.
Hey, sprint. Call the sprint. Call. You're right better shooting percentage.
Dennis, back to Dindo. Nice play. Using the glass, Mr. Basic is good. Nakakashoot talaga dito. Coach, matanong ko lang. Dinulo mo ba yung play na yun? Ang lapit ah. Ha? Tony, 14. Yeah, 14 point lead.
Sayang, oh. You can hear it, diba? Ang galing, ah.
Turo mo nga mag-coach. Mali yung combination niya, saka si Eric.
Oo, dapat si ano lagi. Siyang sa laging ano. Ano kasi ang
Kamusta ba yung mga, ano mo feeling ng, how does it feel you beat the Bay Area elites? Right there.
Kasi kung meron na.
But that's a good game though.
No, may mic pa rin. Hindi kasi G.
I thought it's gonna be easy game. Easy win. Well, Paul got a lot more, but yeah, this but I got the better shooting percentage, right? Yeah, I just stopped. I just started. See you guys next season. I put. Now, I'm gonna be on vacation, so I'm gonna have to write a article to retract my. We'll make it. I'm gonna have to put a question mark on that now. All right, you guys have a good one, huh?
Yan na.
Hey, I need defense here, right here. Oh, right there, yeah.
Score is 28-14. All right, this is the second half of this championship game. Final game of the season. Who's gonna take it? Who wants it more? Who wants it more? Here comes Ryan. Back to CJ. CJ. To Ryan for three. No good. Rebound, Vincent. Alright. Medyo napamilarize ko ito. Eric. To Jaden. Jaden.
Get down, brother, get down, get down. Ryan,
Jaden to Brian.
face out.
Guarded by CJ. Brian. In the middle. Layup. No good. Rebound. Reed. 14 points.
Tama yung score.
Here comes Jaden. Jaden with the rebound. Jaden. Hessing move. No good. Rebound. John. John, number 99. Oh, pass to Jared. Jared.
Hands up, hands up, hands up.
Ryan. Long three. No good. Nice, Sayang. It's gonna go to you, Jared. Kantahin ko ba? Sayang.
Let's go, D. Let's go, D.
Ngayon lang tayo. Oh! Using the glass, no good, rebound! We recovered and lost it. Good effort. All right, the time is now 28-14, 14-point lead. What you gonna do? Up by 14. TJ for two. Sweetness. Gracious. Ayan. May asim pa si TJ. May asim. There. Jer, sugot ka na. Kanina pa kita pinihintay. CJ to Ryan. Ryan, ayan na. See, I told you. Stop time, man. Let's go. Jer for 2. Assist from Ryan. 30-16. Tama ba yung score?
Tama yung score.
Yes.
Lost it.
Oh wait, Jer made it back, right?
Yeah, Jer. Baliktad.
What's the call? What's the call? Hey! 28, that's third and Eric.
That's third personal foul on Eric. San Ramon. Weak. Oh, nice pass to Jer. Oh! Damn. Told you. This leader has gone alive. Jer. PJ. Foul on who? 23. Foul on CJ. Ano Nuevo.
Second on CJ.
Jaden. No good. Rebound Brian. Nice defense by Lee. But Brian got the points. 2 points for Brian.
Nakita mo yun?
Oh, what a pass to Jer. Foul. Jer has come alive in the second half.
First on 92.
Trying to lift his team back in this game.
Ano mas mo score ba?
Jer shooting for 2. Score is 32-18.
Black. Sabihin mo black.
Black down by 14.
Hey, box out first, box out.
Get ready for sub.
Jaden, help out. Hey, Jaden, help out Eric, all right?
15. Want to do it now? Sub?
Jaden.
Alright, let's do it now. Let's do it now.
You got the shooter. Jaden, Eric.
If he makes it. Alright, not.
Misses ball. Rebound Lee. Oh. Cha-cha-cha on the line.
Line up.
44?
Line up. Foul on.
We'll go 68 on this one.
Well, what's the real one?
On the reach, 68.
68. First on 68?
John shooting for 2. Switches to first. Does the same for the second. 2 for 2. 32-20, down by 12. Green City up by 12, 32-20. 13 minutes and 57 seconds left in this game.
Third on 22. Only third.
Third on 22. Dennis Alfonso.
And second team foul.
Second team foul.
Get him on. Shoot it.
Hands up, don't reach. Cutter.
All right. You need comics, Linda? He needs a chair. Somebody give me a chair.
Relax.
Foul on Justin.
Justin, that's third on Justin.
Third on Justin. No lead. Back to Brian. Brian, back to the basket. Working it. Good defense. We're going by Eric. Eric, crossover. Up and under, no good. Rebound. Basket is good still. Justin shaking his head. Good offense from MVP. 34-20. Down by 14. John, no good. Rebound. Same ball. He got blocked. All right. We stand corrected. Other ball. Lonely. Bounce back to Will. Will, no good. Rebound, Will. Basket is still good for Will. 36-20 now. Checo. Justin. We for two. No good. Rebound. Dennis. No good. Rebound. Dennis. Basket is good for Dennis. 2 rebounds and a basket for Dennis. 22. 36-22. Up by 14. Eric. Guarded by Justin. Three points is no good. Rebound. We to Checo. To John. Checo has yet to make a basket.
44.
44 push.
That is third.
Who?
Dino, third. Third on Dino.
Third of Dino.
14 fouls.
14 fouls. Oh, no good. Rebound. Brian. It's a Brian Wyndham. BW. Got over. Nice. Oh, behind the back. 92. Nice move. Left hand. No good. Rebound. Eric fakes. Jumper is no good. Rebound. What a sequence. Here comes John. Wow. On Brian Wyndham.
Second on
Brian.
And 15 fouls.
15 fouls.
6 seconds. Open sub.
Open sub.
Open sub.
Oh, close. Very close. Ryan. Steal by TJ in the middle. TJ. So Will, bounce pass to foul on the pass.
First on Ryan, 14 fouls.
First on Ryan, 14 foul.
35. Anong 35?
And they have a play. Goes to Durant. That's a Durant play. Durant. Oh my God! Durant. What a play. Oh my God. Is that a CYO play?
32-20, 38-22.
Is that a CYO play? Coach? No good. Rebound. Woo. Basket is good. Foul Brian. Wyndham.
Third on Brian.
Third on Brian.
Union City warning.
16
fouls.
16 fouls. We shooting for the bonus to cut it down to 13. Yep. Now down to 13 with almost 8 minutes left to go in this game, in this championship game. Good defense. TJ. Turnover. Nope, no turnover. Last touch. Oh, 35. Yeah, that's a CYO. Will found TJ. 35, no more.
35.
35 once. 35 twice is 70. CJ. Guarded by TJ. John for three. No rebound.
I got sub.
Sub.
2 minutes, Vince. Get with the Vince. Yeah.
CJ for two. Oh, maybe. Three. No good. Rebound. TJ. Nice spin. Counted by Ryan. Looking for somebody. Good defense. Foul on CJ on the left zone.
Who's foul? Foul?
23. Foul, right? 23. Oh, number 8. That's Ryan.
15 fouls.
Hey, spread out.
15 foul.
Spread out. There we go.
Spread out like peanut butter. Jaden. Vincent. Nice feed. Back to Jaden. Good hands by Justin.
You heard that? I heard that.
Vincent. Back to Eric. Oh my goodness. I thought you were gonna make that. That would have been spectacular. John to Wee. Nice move. Using the glasses. Very. Nice spin off the glass.
38-27.
38-27 now. Do we have a ball game? Let's go. 5 minutes and 45. Let's keep it up. Let's go. 5 minutes and 39 seconds left in the game of this championship game. Season 16. No good. Rebound. John. Almost traveled. Back to Justin. Back to Hui. To Ryan for two. Yeah! Assist from CJ.
Oh, no.
38-29. 9-point game. Ryan. Guarded by Hui. Spin. Nice block by CJ. Brian with the ball. Timeout. New City.
Dito isasaksak. Excellent.
Ayun na, yung CY lumalabas na. Yung CY ng coaching lumalabas na. Yung CY
Sabi ko
lumalabas na.
Kala ko NBA na play eh. Bigla siya break. I know. Si Wayo yun. Sige na lang bilhin mo. XLR.
Send mo sa akin anong cable. Pero ayos siya bro.
Pero ito.
Ginamit mo na yung dati.
No, I thought it just
Next time mo naman ng cable din. Send mo sa akin ng cable.
Yeah, yung play. Testing na.
Oh shit. Break!
4 minutes and 50 seconds left. Will. Jaden. Back to Eric. Eric, back to Brian. Open for three, didn't take it. Jaden. Will. Good ball movement.
Ano pa? Shot clock, diba?
Kahit 2 minutes.
Oh, hindi sa pipe. No shot on the ground.
Jer.
Foul on Jer.
Warning, team foul. 16 foul.
Warning, 16 foul. Both teams are on the warning. Will. TJ. Nice spin. Back to Eric. Eric to Will. Will. Open, didn't take it. Will. Got open, no. Rebound, Will. Will. And no. Foul on Jaden.
Jaden, that's his third.
That's Jaden's third.
Hey, get your man.
We shooting for two.
TJ,
They're on. Hey, they're penalty.
Misses the first. Both teams are on penalty.
Q, we're both penalties now. Let's go, sub.
Sub.
Q, both are in the ball. Sure, go. Yeah,
Will.
Makes the second. 8-point lead. 2 minutes and 51 seconds left
A lot of time.
in the game.
easy now, easy. We're gonna hold it. 1 minute. Okay.
Brian, 92. That's his tightrope. Jaden, back to Will. Will. Back to Jaden.
Hindi mo shot clock.
Shot clock will start at the 2-minute mark. Jaden, nice move. No good rebound. We with the rebound. What a shot by We. 6-1 game.
Spring, Will. Brian, spring.
Foul on John.
Shot clock is on.
Shot clock
1-1.
will be on
Yo,
starting right now.
both teams are in penalty.
Both teams on penalty. Score is 38-32. 6-point game. What a comeback. Mr. MVP at the line shooting for 2.
That's shot clock's on now, right? Shot clock's on.
Yes.
Yes.
30 seconds, right? Here we go.
We got 2 more timeouts.
Makes the first. Makes the second. 2 for 2 for Eric. 40-32. Shot clock is on. Zone for 3. No good. Rebound. Last touch on B.
Hey, inside.
Ryan. Steal by Jaden. Jaden in the middle. Bounce pass to TJ. TJ. Basket is good for TJ. 42-32. Brings it back to a 10-point lead. You got TJ. Got past TJ. Got past Jaden. Line up. Foul on TJ.
That's first and TJ. 1-1.
That's first on TJ. Makes the first.
First bucket of the night. First bucket of the night.
That's his first basket of the night. First half basket of the night. Makes that his first bucket of the night. 2 for 2 for CJ and Jaden. Foul on 19. We. Jaden is shooting for 2. Oh, 1-1. All right, 1-1. Long back, and we go by John. Rebound by Jaden, fouled by Ryan. Take your time.
Third and Ryan. Still 1 and 1.
Don't take mine. 42, 35, 36, 35. Jaden at the line.
Two.
Shooting 2 or just 1? 1 and 1. 1 and 1. This is it. Rebound. We got Dawn for 3. No good. Rebound. Eric. Foul on Ryan.
Who foul? Ryan?
Ryan F.
Double.
Double cheese. Burger, please. Eric. Shooting for 2.
You got 4.
Makes the first.
Pre, sino? Oli.
Brian out.
Kahit natin dami.
Misses. Vincent. Rebound. TJ. Woo.
Foul!
TJ shooting for 2.
Shot. Wait, second shot.
Makes the first sound. Ryan out. Jared.
Hey, call timeout.
Makes the second. 2 for 2. Timeout. Black. A minute and 1 second left. 45-35. 10-point game. Union City up by 10.
Hey, Q! You got it?
Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Hold up. Huh?
Oli, ako may picture pa kaya ng graduate.
Sige.
Saka alam mo na kung sino, di ba? Ha?
Yeah.
Kami alam mo sino yan, ha?
John for 3. $54 seconds left. Oh, same ball. Justin, inbound. To we for 3. No good, rebound. John, no good, rebound. Jaden to Vincent. All right, Vince shooting for 2.
10-point lead.
Woo! Yeah, Vince didn't hit the rim. Nothing but net. I think you broke the net.
Running clock over 11 points.
In and out. We. Hindi pa 11. Eh.
At 11.
At 11. Oh yeah. Misses. Rebound. Jaden.
Running clock.
Running clock. Oh, 11
At
over.
11.
20 seconds.
24. Put it at 24. Timeout. Timeout. Relax.
Time out, Black. Time out.
To the referee. Timeout, Black.
I'm gonna give him 4 seconds.
Yeah, that's right. pa, di ba? Bibili ko sa pan.
Is it working?
Oo, ganda.
Jaden makes the first. Makes the second. 24.6. And that, no good. Rebound, Jer for two. Basket good. Time will stop. Will not stop. Steal by Reed. John for three. Basket is good for Reed.
Why is it like that? It's running time. I mean, it's not a dead ball. It's not a dead ball. 8
Yeah,
points,
it's not a
though, right?
dead ball.
It's not a dead ball. Come on, guys. It's not a dead ball. Not a dead ball. So it's not a...
After making the basket, it's not a dead ball. That's a continuous play.
It's not a dead ball.
All right, congratulations, Union City. 48-40 is the final score. Union City is
Not a
the
dead ball,
season
Sam.
16 champs.
It's a shot. I mean, fine. Huh? It's made back. It's not a dead ball, right? We only
San
started
Ramon,
when
good
the
game,
referee
Eric.
whistle.
Good to see you, man.
So it's not
Good
just
game, good
baseball.
game. San Ramon, good game.
Because earlier you say clock runs.
Please surrender your
Because it's more than
jerseys.
11. That's why I got confusing.
Congratulations, Union City.
Call up the name. Jersey, guys, jersey. What jersey? When you call up your name, go on the front.
All right. Union City,
Hey, call up the name here. Hey, bring here. Call up your name.
number 92, Brian Wyndham.
Mamaya mo na ko yung pangalan.
Number 22, Vincent Nguyen.
Let's go in the middle, guys.
Double O, TJ Bituin. Number 88, six-man, Will Flores. Number 56, Jaden Sapitan. Number 44, Agent 44, Dindo Fajardo. And number 68, Noli Abad. And of course, number 28, Eric Gorospe, your
Alright.
M
Hey, wait. Coach mo na. Ito mo. That's coach mo na.
MC is for tonight is yours truly. What's next?
Best coach mo na.
And the best coach goes to Coach Sindo. Congratulations. Posing. And the finals MVP goes to none other than Eric Gorospe, number 28. Congratulations, and this is your Union City team. This is your season 16 champions. Congratulations. Pasalamat kayo, wala ko. Si Eric, di ma-stop sana. Stop. Eric, next season, sasali ako. Marina. I see you. Congratulations! Hindi niya madala yung trophy niya. Dami. Need a bag? 10 cents. You need a bag for 10 cents?
Let's see the stats.
Oh. Congratulations, Union City. Good job, Sal. Ayos. First
season.
First season? Oh my goodness.
55
First
years old.
season, first champ.
55.
Ayos. Congrats, man.
Only 3-3.
Classmate ba? Classmate?
Classmate.
Classmate. Congrats.
Guys, just put on the jersey here.
Jersey. Please surrender your jersey.
He scored 26 to 20. 27.
Oh, restop mo na, Crystal. Paki-stop.